Hey guys, for this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you of this Bashon 25-foot extension cord and a power adapter here. So I wanted this thing because I'm using extension cords and stuff, always powering up stuff all the time, but I always end up having to hook them up to like a power strip. So it's really nice. So to me, I thought the idea of having an extension cord and power strip all built in one seemed like a really good idea. So I got it to try out, and I'll do another video after I get to try it out and use it in a few different places. But anyway, so you can see it has three outlet prongs there, so with the ground, and then the other side it has three 2-prong spots, and then you have a couple of USB slots there and USB-C slots. And then you have your 3-prong plug to go into your wall. The actual cord feels really nice. It has like a fabric cloth wrap around it that feels really nice. Again, that's 25 feet. So it looks really nice, feels nice. And I missed showing you on the end or on the side there, it has your reset and a protector off and reset button. So I'll do another review after I get a chance to use it, but just wanted to show you this for now.